Welcome all. This is computer application in business paper, Madras University, November 2014 question paper. So first one is we are going to discuss the 2 more questions. First question: what are the alignment property for text in MS Word? There are 4 types of paragraph alignment you can set within Word: left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, and justification. So left aligned means all the lines in the paragraph butt up against the left text margin. Center aligned means all the lines in a paragraph are centered between the left and right text margins. Right alignment means all the lines in the paragraph against the right text margin. Justification means the text are margined with both the left and the center alignment. Second question: what is electronic worksheet? An electronic worksheet solves almost any problem involving numbers and formulas. Most of the examples in this book involve budgets, sales reports, or accounting statements. Students should realize that worksheet can be used in chemistry and physics and many other areas. All the user has to do is be able to see the problem in row and column format. The electronic worksheet is ordered in a row and column manner like a table. So we can insert and process. Third question: how to print a document? So first we are going to open a MS Office document, Word document. Then click on a file menu. Then go to the print icon of the file menu. Select your printing options. Finally give the print button as OK. So now we have to getting a desired document from in a hard copies. That is, we can get the printout copies. So fourth question: what is a database? A database is an organized collection of structured information or data, typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by a database management system. Together, the data and the DBMS along with the applications that are associated with the team are referred to as a database system. Data within the most common type of database in operations today is typically modeled in rows and columns in a series of tables to make processing and data querying efficient. Most databases use structured query language for writing and querying data. The data can then be easily accessed, managed, modified, updated, controlled, and organized. Fifth question: define record and file. A collection of related fields treated as a single unit is called a record. For example, an employee's record includes a set of fields that contains employer name, employee name, grade and designations, etc. Next, file. A collection of related records treated as a single unit is called the file. So collection of record is called the file. So file is also known as a data set. Files are stored in a disk like hard disk, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, etc. That is pen drive also. A student's file may contain the record of hundreds of students. Each student's record consists of same fields, but each field contains different data. Sixth question: what are the standards in EDI? EDI standards are the requirements for the format and content of EDI business document. EDI means electronic data interchange. So the EDI standards determine the correct order and location of the units of data in an EDI document. All EDI transactions are defined by EDI standards. What is EDI? So EDI means electronic data interchange. It is the concept of business electronically communicating information that was traditionally communicating on paper, such as purchase order, invoices. Technical standards of EDI exist to facilitate parties transacting such instruments without having to make special arrangements. Simply, EDI means we can exchanging the document electronically from one computer to another computer without human intervention. What is TLD? TLD means top level domain. It is the last segment of domain name, the element located after the last dot. Yeah, as it is located in the ending, it is also known as a domain suffix. Before going further, we know that a domain name is divided into three levels. One is subdomain, second level domain, top level domain. Subdomain is the front part or left side of the domains. The second level domain are label located in the middle. The top level domain located at the back or right side of the domain name. Example for the top level domain, the domain is www.example.com. Here www is the subdomain, example is the second level domain, .com is the top level domain. The top level domain simply as depends upon the organization. Ninth, define distributing computing. Distributed computing is a field of computer science that studies distributed system. A distributed system is a system whose components are located on different networked computers which communicate and coordinate their actions by passing message to one another. Three significant characteristics of distributed systems are concurrency of components, lack of global clock, and independent failure of components. Examples of distributed computing system is SOA based system to massively multiplayer online games to peer-to-peer applications, ATM machines, etc. What is an audit? The term audit usually refers to a financial statement audit. A financial audit is an objective examination and evaluations of the financial statement of an organization to make sure that the financial records are a fair and accurate representation of the transaction they claim to represent. The audit can be conducted internally by employees of the organization or externally by an outside certified public accountant, that is CPA firm. What are the advantages of information audit? The 5 benefits: check accessibility to threat, evaluating the system, data security, bolsters controls, finally develops IT governance. 12th question. What is Internet Protocol? Internet Protocol is the principal communications protocol in the Internet Protocol suite for relaying datagrams across network boundaries. Its routing functions enable internetworking and essentially establishes the Internet.